Warning, super cool flying robot is coming our way. Let's draw this sky-soaring wonder before it flies away. We have this pencil sketch ready to go, so we can jump right into the exciting part, outlining our flying robot and making it ready for takeoff. First, let's start with one arm, extending outward, as if it's ready for adventure. This arm will help our flying robot navigate the skies with ease. Now, we can outline the main body, which is a simple cube. This is the powerhouse of our flying robot, where all its awesome features come together. And we can't forget to add some fun details to the body. The coolest of all is this awesome clock, because maybe this robot doesn't just fly through space, it zooms through time as well. Next, let's draw the other arm, balancing out our robot perfectly. This arm will be just as strong and ready to help as it navigates through time and space. Then it is time to draw the legs, which will help our robot take off and soar through the skies. Equipped with jet propulsion, they will give our robot the power to zoom around on incredible adventures, flying high and fast. I know you're enjoying this as much as I do, so subscribe and tap that bell icon. You'll be all set to join us for more exciting drawing adventures. And now for the head, which will be simple but awesome, with one big eye. And as we finish up, it's time to think about our favorite colors to give this flying machine its own unique style. As always, great job, Scribble Peeps. Our flying robot is complete. Don't forget, there are even more fun drawing adventures waiting for you. Just visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye.